Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, go to Data Analysis and choose K-means Cluster Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab, Data Upload Instructions. In this option, you can get instructions on how to properly upload your dataset. How to save as CSV. This option is provided to know how to save your dataset in CSV format correctly. How K-means works. This option helps you understand how the algorithm works, including how data is grouped into clusters and how cluster centers are formed during analysis. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Labels or Observations column. Next, select the Clustering Variables column. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, HTML, or Excel formats. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create Cluster Plot. In this option, you can visualize how data is grouped using where similar observations are clustered together, with colors and shapes indicating cluster membership and spread. Distance plot. Factor map. Parallel plot. PCA plot. Network plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the Optimal Cluster tab, you can determine the optimal number of clusters for your data using, helping you identify the most meaningful grouping structure. The Metrics tab in RAISINS provides key insights to evaluate your analysis through the distance matrix and internal validation summary. The distance matrix shows how similar or dissimilar data points are, supporting clustering analysis, while the internal validation summary highlights the most suitable number of clusters along with quality metrics, helping users select the optimal clustering structure and ensure reliable results. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS.live and make your data speak.